Club for giving me this scholarship, and I'd like to thank my parents, my friends, and my family for supporting me through all this. So I'm just going to get right into it. Under the supreme law of the U.S. Constitution, rights are granted exclusively to the people of the United States. However, what qualifies or constitutes a person to be of the people? Without membership to this group, undocumented immigrants are subject to the wills of the federal, state, and local governments. Thus, the confliction arises between illegal immigration and basic rights. Fortunately, we are obligated both lawfully and morally to protect undocumented immigrants. To illustrate this point, let's take a look at the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause. It declares, "No state shall deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws." Again, any person doesn't specify a particular group, similar to the phrase, the people. Americans have historically disputed how exclusive this term is. However, denying these rights creates unreasonable discrimination through the use of classifications. The court case Yick Wo v. Hopkins resolves this issue. The court ruled that the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause be applied to all persons without regard to any differences of race, of color, or of nationality. This eliminates disputes over a definition and therefore makes undocumented immigrants applicable to the Constitution. This is our lawful obligation. Since the ratification of the Constitution, Americans believe we are entitled to a basic set of inalienable rights. We refer to these as the Bill of Rights, and the Constitution wouldn't have been ratified without them. If we wouldn't surrender these rights to our native sovereign, then we shouldn't restrain them from aliens. It would label us hypocrites. Undocumented immigrants can't legally be hired, get a driver's license, or have a social security. Restrictions are already established to maintain the credibility of being a U.S. citizen. Therefore, we should not look at aliens as obstacles or as competitors, but as fellow humans. And that is all.